Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be bleaching my hair, and I'm going to also be adding a semi-permanent purple color onto it. So the lift up powder that I'm going to be using for my hair is Kiss lift up powder lightener, and I'm using this 30 volume developer. It's the brand L'Oreal. So right here I'm mixing the powder and the liquid together. I have one package of the powder in the bowl. I'm not sure if I needed two, but I just got the extra one just in case, because I'm not gonna be doing my whole entire head. I'm just gonna be doing the ends because I want my roots to remain dark. So here I'm applying the mixture to my hair. It was a little bit watery, so I went ahead and I had about a half a pack of the second powder to it. But I also noticed that while I was putting the powder on my hair, as it was sitting there, it was evaporating. It's like it was literally disappearing from the bowl. So I had to hurry, really, to get it onto my hair before it completely disappeared. It was really strange. I've never seen that before, but this is the first time I'm bleaching my hair, so yeah. And the next thing I noticed, that the smell was so strong. It was overpowering. It had like a blinding effect to the eyes and the nose. So if you're really sensitive and you're doing this, you might want to wear like a mask or something, because the smell from this bleach was really strong. So here I have completed the ends of my hair. I didn't get all of it, but I was okay with what it was covering right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this shower cap on, and I decided to just keep it in for 30 minutes to see what it looks like. So after 30 minutes, this is how far it lifts my hair. I could have left it in for a little bit longer, because I really wanted, when I add the purple color to it, I really wanted it to be really bright. But I decided to go ahead and rinse it out at this stage and not leave it any longer, because I didn't want to damage my hair, because it took me a long time to grow it to the length that it is right now. So I used this Kiss revitalizing shampoo, and I shampooed my hair, and this is what it was looking like after I washed out all the bleach completely. I was satisfied with the color. So I chose this color, Purple Passion by Kiss Colors. This was one of the brightest colors that was in the store. The other colors were like blue, lavender, dark blue, light purple, and this was like the closest color that they had that I wanted. So I chose this Purple Passion, and I'm adding it right now to the ends. Well, actually I'm adding it to the whole entire hair, because a lot of it is also in my roots. But as you can see, it looked really dark. I was a little bit nervous that it wasn't going to show, but I left it on for 1 hour. I wanted to leave it for a longer, like 2 hours maybe, so that the color can really take, but I just let it stay on for 60 minutes, and then this was what it looked like after that time had passed. So right here is after I shampooed the hair. I used the same revitalizing shampoo. It felt really dry, So I had this deep condition mask, and I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the hair to kind of give it like a deep conditioner to soften it up a bit, because it was really dry and I wasn't going for breakage. So I put it all over the hair, the ends, the roots. I used the entire package that I had, and then I covered my hair with a plastic cap, and I wrapped it around with a towel and left it on for 60 minutes, and then rinse it with some cool water. I left the hair to hair dry. I didn't blow dry it or anything, and right here it was a little bit dry, and it was not it was shrink there was a lot of shrinkage going on right here. So I didn't want to use any heat, so I decided to just do a twist out instead. So I'm gonna be doing 2 braids on either side and then doing a twist out in the middle. So just continue watching this video, and I hope you like it. Share it, leave a thumbs up. If this is your first time here on Creative P, please subscribe and let us all be friends and get creative together. And if you're a oldie but goodie, thank you so much for your support. Please leave a comment in the description box below and tell me if you have bleached your hair before and what was your experience like. And once again, thank you.